In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the aptly named Hi There screen. So simply choose your desired language, and I'm going to be sticking with English, so I'm not going to be selecting anything different here, and all you need to do then is select Start. Next page, and we have the page for inserting our SIM card. And the reason why we can see this is because once you insert a SIM card, you basically are able to use mobile network. So it's a choice between mobile network or Wi-Fi if you want to log into Google account throughout the setup process. If you choose to skip both of those, then Google account will not show up throughout the setup process, the option to log into it, and additionally date and time will not be set automatically. But just to also clarify this, once you connect to Wi-Fi later on, after the setup is complete, you can still add your Google account through settings, so it doesn't really matter. And additionally, if you insert a SIM card, date and time will be set automatically anyway. Then we have Google services, so we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Brief version of these: location, GPS tracking, scanning allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then sending user and diagnostic data basically allows Google to spy on you. Next page we have the options for screen lock. So by default it opts into a 4-digit PIN, but you can also change it to be pattern or password as well, if that is something that you'd like to do. So I'll be setting up a pattern right here, and from here let's draw our pattern. Next, repeat the pattern, confirm, and now it's set. From here we have some privacy policy and some other stuff, so you can tap on the blue text right here to read exactly what you're agreeing to, but at the end of the day you are required to agree to both of them, and then you can select accept and continue, which will bring you to your home screen and finish up the setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.